is hope in the heavens above.
Samoa Beatz.
Come on, brother, pray with me. The sun will shine on everything. The hurt and pain will give you peace. Trust in Him. Don't give up, my friend. There is hope in the heavens above.
Maue pe angale sa silkengi o eba Se mangu o ke la aya so mai e kenga Ae, o ke afe maka I korinito Storia sa taraka o mea sako ma apete niko O ke fesili ia kang yelu penga fefeli o le ronga Kawanga wia yopo e wha makala ko tukokunga Me fai mai a e timu o ke puti petele ema Su e mai sa kayo e make eba O ke wala au lia mai ka rika se ia wha makala Penga wha ape i le kau I lalo le kua o koliaka Fefela I se angi a filiskia Yoe, so el mea e ola e kia Ka ngaka kongu ana nganga I le whaahuma I le uosa Ngaka ko I le nganga I le whaahuma I le lionga Ke le fuafuanga a le kua I longa unga I leo mano e te mai whatoanga E kusana le iama o e maa E ui e babe e isi a lauga Yoe, lapa lo kare konga I e malo sil whaakua Ia e loa o lo sil sila mai le kua Ese mai Ngaka I lalo le lalingi e iei o vai vainga E o ia ka vika ia nga whailea o inga Su e mai lau kusi I le Samuel was fulu male lua whai mai Ase se le vale e ka le kua O lea o inga la o ka vika Inga ua ia nga sala E ui o le whai salamo ia nga sasi o le kama A whai o le sasi peke pa u ae Se kafi e se le tefu ai koe ku O le ponga i o ka kou se wakele ia a amu Kama fo inga le o polo uma ai le ai se lamu Kama I bebesi wa ia u le maa tongi E ka fia ka sengia sa pasongi Fesili, ma whai o e poa I se wakalii E whai makongi o la inga ia fe o la misi E whai nga ka a, e koronga ka a Ia ai se ilonga o oe se pango ka a Ke pa iluma lo uso, awangi e koe poi Fikir uspa ia e pei ngai piki lau kere fongi Tatalo Lo uso wha masangi, lau mai lo le chau Ai se koe usu mai le kani
Don't give up, my friend. There is hope in the heavens above. Come on, brother, pray with me. The sun will shine on everything. The hurt and pain will give you peace. Trust in Him. Don't give up, my friend. There is hope in the heavens above. Life is so tough and it's getting so hard. Full of troubles and problems I can't. Temptations every day, I feel the pain. Just wanna give up, it's never the same. I turn to the left, right, up and down. Looking for answers, man, slowly I drown. Things of this world is coming so strong. I keep asking questions, man, what's going on? But I can see a light shining on my face with a soft voice saying, keep on praying. The Lord our God will never leave us, nor forsake us. He loves us so much, He gave His only Son for you and me, so we can have life more abundantly. He broke all our chains and now we're free. Man, Jesus is the answer for all our problems, y'all. Don't give up, my friend. There is hope in the heavens above. Come on, brother, pray with me. The sun will shine on everything. The hurt and pain will give you peace. Trust in Him.